Well, first fish of the day, and it's a chunker. I haven't got a weight or anything on it, but I would say about £1.5 to about £1.5, probably 17 to 18 inches. That's pretty good for my first fish. I'll take it. There you go. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Nice and big. That was awesome.
Where's your weight?
What?
Where's your weight measure? Tape measure.
I gotta find it. It's somewhere in there. Alright, second fish for the day. I'm keeping this one, but my battery died, so didn't get a capture reeling him in, but he's not a bad size. Not bad at all. But till the next one. Got him on the new rod. Oh, did he come off? Nope, he's on there still. Net. Just a little guy. Oh, you serious? Getting one on the other one too. Oh, missed that one. That's okay for right now. I'll deal with you first. Okay. Check. Alright, well, there's number 2, finally, for the day. Oh, he's back on it. Oh, sorry, dude. Guess I might be keeping you. Yeah, I'm keeping you. Oh, is he on there? Nope. Oh yeah, he is. Yeah, he is. Holy crap, he's on there. Sweet. Three. Nice natural one. Oh, he got a nice hook set on that one too. I will take that.